students, today we will learn about Access and Database Management System. Have you ever imagined what is DBMS? Yes, DBMS is Data Management System, which is a way in which data can be managed and stored in form of tables. But why do we have to store data in a table format? Yes, because it arranges all the data in orderly manner so that we can retrieve information easily whenever we need it. Now, how does a database management system looks like? Have you imagined? See, it is stored like this in a table format. Every organization maintains a database management system. Just like our school, it maintains all the data of the students which can be retrieved. Now we will see how to create a table. You have to go to the new option. Then there are so many options as templates provided to you, like blank database, custom web app database, nutrition tracking, call tracker, customer service. Many of them are provided, but we are creating a blank database. You have to create and then OK. So a window like this will appear having your database. Now we will create a table. You can create a table by naming each field like the options provided to you. Can you see the options? Options like short text, in which you can provide the small text, numbers, in which you can provide the number, currency for the currency or rupees, date and time, yes or no, lookup and relationships are for tables, rich text, and many other options. Then, when the table is created, you can enter the values inside the table by clicking on the fields like this. You can enter the values as per your requirements. See, here are some values for the columns inside the table. For the date column, a calendar is provided to you. You can also select the date from the calendar. We will also study about records and fields. A table reorganizes data into rows, that is called records, and columns, that is called fields. You can also see some of the functions of DBMS like reduction or elimination of data redundancy. That means lowering the risk of duplication of data. Then control of data inconsistency. That means all the data are not repeated. Then facilitation of data sharing, data security, enforcement of standards, and the maintenance of data integrity.